Hi there, welcome to Get Fit with Gosia. In this video, you will learn how to throw an uppercut. This video is made for those who enjoy cardio kickboxing workouts and martial art inspired workouts. You don't need any equipment, just follow me with the moves. So the reason I decided to this video, because when I sometimes watch people doing cardio kickboxing and they're doing the movements really fast, it looks like this. So they're bringing the elbows back, and that's not a correct way of throwing uppercut. So we're gonna take it from the base of that move. So first of all, standing in fighter stance, look at your feet, make sure they're slightly on a diagonal. Bring your hips slightly forward, engage that core. Elbows are in, fists are close with the thumb on the outside. So breaking it down, step by step. When you throw an uppercut, you slightly drop your elbow down and your shoulder down. From there, kind of like a hook motion, you're gonna bring your hand up and your palm should be facing upwards. And should stop at the chin level. So from here up, up. So we're not gonna go too hard yet. I just want you to feel the movement. Now, as far as your foot, to get the power, you need to turn your knee in and you need to turn the hip. So all that power comes from your hip, from your core. So let's try that again. Slowly first, up. That's it. Now adding some more power to it. Up. Breathing out. That's it. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, 1 more. Shake it out. Now from the right side, not changing the stance yet. Elbows in, hands up. Same thing, slowly first. Drop the shoulder down and then dig it up. Up. Without bringing the elbows back. Now the foot turns in, look at your foot, engage that core, keep your left hand in front of your face. Let's do 4 more together. 3, 2, 1 more. All right, shake it out. Now we're gonna go continuous, left and right. Slowly first, no power, just go through the motions. Readjust, fighter stance, let's go left, let's go right. Look at where your palms are pointing. So look at the palms, that's it. Pointing up, coming up just to the chin level, not higher. All right, now adding a little bit of power here. Let's go up, up. Turning the shoulders in, turn your hips in. So it's all about the shoulders, up, up, and biceps. Generating that power from your core, up. And time. Now we're gonna add some speed to it. So we're gonna go not as powerfully, but a little bit faster. Same principles. So again, not doing this, bringing those elbows up. Ready, let's go up. Stay light on those feet, turning the shoulders. Go, go, go. Up, 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 up. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. When you're doing it correctly, you should feel your shoulders burning. We're gonna do the same thing, leading with our right leg in the front. Fighter stance, feet on a diagonal, hands up. Let's go slowly first. Power. Up, up, up. Adding your own sound effects in. Turn those feet in, turn the hips in. Now less power, more speed. Let's go. Up. Speed it up, that's it. Let's go 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome work. That is your basic punch, uppercut. I have 2 other videos where you learn jab, cross, and also hooks. And the link is just above. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Get Fit with Gosia and like her videos.